What is up, guys? It's Sam.Greenslyfox. I am just picking up my camera because I feel like I used to do that with a lot of videos where I just get inspiration and I pick my phone up and do the thing instead of trying to stay sitting and stagnant. And I was going through some of my houseplants and watering today and doing some spring stuff and realized I cut and two of my pink princesses at the beginning of maybe February or maybe the end of January, and they're completely rooted in water now to the point where I gotta get them in dirt. And I have two cuttings doing really well here. However, I'm noticing one of the leaves is stuck and it needs to go against a pole, and some of the roots are starting to get a little green. So here we go. If you enjoy this, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in there. All right, what I wanted to point out the most is some of the common things that happen with the pink princess. And, from someone who's owned one for about 3 years, they have certain characteristics and certain behaviors that tend to happen. And when you end up spending so much on a plant like this and it gets to the size that it does and starts to do these things, I can see it being a big concern to some plant owners. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so this is a brand new leaf, very shiny, no variegation. And it'll end up dulling out to like a very black leaf. And right here we have the stuck leaf, which is starting to break its own stem, and it's stuck in here, so we're going to loosen that today. Some of variegation on this leaf. I did get a brand new leaf with some nice variegation. However, some of the issues, you'll have aging leaves where they just die. I mean, it happens along the vine. It's really comparable to when you get a yellow leaf on a typical green plant. But just the growth pattern, I have this against my bed, just the growth pattern of it, it is a traditional vining plant. And it tends to be very favorable of growing on one side, which is why I think it'll work really well to put it on a pole. So that is what we're gonna do.